People ask us all the time that if I have medical bills or expenses as a result of my personal injury case, will the insurance company or the hospital reduce those bills at the end of the case? Hi, I'm Chris Klotz. Please join me while I try to answer some questions for you to help you with your case. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Pensacola, Florida, and let's see what we can find out about this issue. So, when you get to the end of your case, you're going to see that you may have medical bills or you might have expenses that are due, and hospitals may be sending you a bill that you don't think that you can pay. What's going to happen with that at the end of your case? That is an issue called lien reduction. And so as we go through somebody's case, helping them try to get the maximum amount for their injury, we always consider what are your medical bills as you've gone along, because one of the things that we want to always try to do is make sure that when a client is done with their case, that they have no medical bills left to pay if that's possible. We work very hard to get liens reduced. Frequently, if a hospital or a clinic knows that we've gotten some money as a result of a lawsuit, they will work with us to try to get your medical bills down so they can get paid too. They want to get paid. Sometimes they're willing to take a percentage less if they can get paid immediately instead of having to wait months and months and months or sometimes even years to get paid. So when we figure out exactly where your case may be settling in a particular range, we will start to contact the healthcare providers and say, hey, we may be able to settle this case, but it may not be as much as everybody wants it to be. Are you willing to reduce the liens so that you can get paid quickly, and we can also try to still put as much money in our clients' pockets as possible? Sometimes hospitals or medical care providers will do that, sometimes they won't. I have found in our experience that a reduction of sometimes maybe 10, 20, sometimes on the outside 30% reduction is possible. It all depends on the particular facility, but I want you to know that we always try to get the maximum reduction that we possibly can on all of the liens, because when we do that as attorneys for you in your case, that means more money is going into your pocket. So if you have any questions about a case that you have, or if you have any issues that I haven't answered, I'd be happy to talk to you. My name's Chris Klotz. We're in Pensacola, Florida at Stevenson Klotz. Our phone number is 850-444-0000, and thanks for watching.